model, 68-plate VAUXHALL VIVARO PRIMASTAR spares OR repairs open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 91,753. MOT, 2 November 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status,